semicolon. At last, semicolon.
1 minute. Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. It says.
Okay. Next line.
Ma'am, SC is not very closed.
That is variable name, no?
Okay. Next line.
Next is system.out.println. Enter a string. Enter a string within the double quotes, not in a single quote. Enter a string.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, string str equals to.
String.
Str equals to. Okay, sc dot next line of.
SC dot.
Next line of.
Next has next 1 minute, ma'am.
Has ledamma, just next
Yes,
line.
ma'am. Next line of.
Semicolon. Okay. Next line lo n small letter. In line number 7, sc dot next line you have written, right? Whereas
Okay.
any small letter.
Okay. Any small letter.
And in string s is capital letter. Okay. In the next line, system.out.println, the string is
Println.
Open double quotes, the string is double quotes close,
Yes, ma'am.
comma plus str. Okay, semicolon. Okay, now you execute it. We'll check.
STR is undefined.
Str is undefined. No, plus operator is undefined. You have given comma, no? Remove that comma.
Okay, ma'am.
Here, no need of comma. We are using plus.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
What it is asking you?
Enter a string.
Enter Geetam. The string is Geetam. So, did you understand the difference between how can we read the data statically? How can we read the data dynamically?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I'll give you 2 more questions. Write a program to read a number dynamically. Now we have seen a string, right? I have explained you string. Now we'll check. Now we'll write a program on how to read a string and how to perform addition of 2 numbers. You write 2 programs. First one is how to read an integer. Second program is addition of 2 numbers, whereas you have to read the data dynamically. Got it? Both the questions? Okay, roll number 53. $4.15, I'll ask you to share. Okay, all of you complete it, ma. Next, we will move on to one more program. Completed, ma? Completed, say yes or no? All of you?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay. Okay, roll number 34. Please share your screen. "34, are you there? Okay. Is it possible to share your screen? Okay, share your screen.
Ma'am, it's over here, ma'am. Like, it's saying that scanner class is not found.
Okay. Which means it is not allowing to use scanner class here. That is the problem of this online compiler, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Not with the program. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay then. Okay, stop sharing. What about remaining? Have you completed? All of you? 53, are you there? Roll number 53. Okay then. 59 చెప్పమ్మా.
53 had a power issue.
Okay.
He'll be joining.
Okay, no problem. Then what is the program you have written for reading a number? How can you write a program for reading a number dynamically? ఇంతమంది. Okay, Ma, somebody has shared the screen. Okay, anyway, what we have written class name. Suppose you are reading an integer, read integer. Something class name you can take. Inside that, public static void main string args. Okay. Next, what will you write? You want to read a number. First declare that number, or else you can directly start with scanner sc is equals to new scanner of scanner sc is equals to new scanner of system dot in. Okay. Next, suppose you want to read an integer, int I is equals to sc dot. Whenever you are reading a string, use next line function. Whenever you are reading a number, use next int. Okay. Next, printf the number is some plus I. Got it, ma, all of you? Okay, all of you got it. Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll move on to the next concept, that is factorial of a given number. The first topic in moderate level is permutations and combinations. Is factorial comes under permutations and combinations or not?
Yes, ma'am.
It is comes under permutations and combinations, right? Now all of you try write a program to print factorial of a given number. Got my question? Say yes or no.
Yes,
Got
yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, now all of you write a program to print factorial of a given number. I'll give you 10 minutes time. After that, I'll explain. Completed, ma'am? Then please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What you have written, ma'am?
Ma'am, first declare the class, and first we have taken separate means factorial, not voidment, but in factorial of int n, and then there we given the formula for the factorial, and then in the next voidment category we printed it.
Okay, ma'am. See, here I'm showing. Is it visible to you? Int I comma fact is equals to 1. Next, whatever the factorial you want to find out, that I'm declaring like n is equals to 4. Okay, n is equals to 4. Next, what we have to do? For I is equals to 0, I'm not using any recursion, I'm using some iterative statement. For I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to n, I plus plus. So inside it, fact is equals to fact into I. Fact is equals to fact into I. Next, system.out.println. Factorial of a given number is where it is available in the variable fact. Okay, now we'll check whether it executes or not. I forgot to give semicolon here. See what it is displaying, factorial of a given number is 24. How it is executing? Into fact equals to 1, n equals to 4. Initially, I starts with 1, I less than or equals to n. Yes, 1 less than or equals to n, it is true. Fact equals to fact into I, 1 into 1, which is 1 only. Now fact is 1 only. Next, I equals to 1, I equals to 2, 2 less than or equals to 4. Again, the condition is true. Fact equals to fact into I. Now the fact is 2, sorry, 1. 1 into 2 is 2. Now my factorial value is 2. Again, I plus plus, I value will become 3. 3 less than or equals to 4. The condition becomes false. Fact equals to fact into I, which is 2 into 3, which is equals to 6. Okay. Next, I value will be incremented. I is equals to 4. 4 less than or equals to 4. The condition is true. Condition is true means again come inside the loop. Fact equals to fact into I. Fact is 6. 6 into I is 4. 6 into 4 is 24. Next, again I value will be incremented. I is 5. 5 less than or equals to 4. The condition becomes false. False means come outside the for loop. Now what I'm doing, system.out.println of factorial of a given number is fact. Now fact is containing the number 24. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is nothing but the factorial of a given number, which is the first programming, permutations and combinations. Now, all of you try to read the input from the terminal and print the factorial. Instead of taking n equals to 4 here, you read that number using dynamic function. That's what I'm telling you to write. Ask the user to give a number. From CS9, roll number 5. Okay. Completed, ma'am? Okay, same program, just reading is different. How can you read means? By using the nextEnt function. Okay, so today we have seen the basic programs, how to read in data, how to read dynamically, how to print a string. Next, in the factorial, which is the first program in permutations and combinations. If you have any doubt, please raise your voice. Those who are having doubts, they can stay, and remaining people can leave the session.
Ma'am,
చెప్పండి Nitin.
can you once again tell how to create the path?
My computerలోకి వెళ్ళు.
Yes, ma'am.
వెళ్ళాక అడ్వాన్స్డ్ సిస్టమ్ సెట్టింగ్స్.
మ్యామ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ కొడితే అది సెట్టింగ్స్ లోకి వెళ్తుంది మ్యామ్.
అవునమ్మా, అందులో అడ్వాన్స్డ్ సిస్టమ్ సెట్టింగ్స్ అని ఉంటుంది కదా.
మ్యామ్ ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయాలా?
అదే చూపిస్తున్నాను చూడు, కనిపిస్తుందా ఇప్పుడు?
కనిపిస్తుంది.
ఇక్కడ ప్రాపర్టీస్కి వెళ్ళు, అడ్వాన్స్డ్ సిస్టమ్ సెట్టింగ్స్ అని ఉంది కదా,
మ్యామ్
ఇది క్లిక్ చేయి. సెట్టింగ్స్, సారీ, ఎన్వైరన్మెంటల్ వేరియబుల్స్.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఇక్కడ న్యూ,
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
టీహెచ్ పాత్ అని ఇవ్వు. వాల్యూ దగ్గర వచ్చేసరికి నువ్వు జావా ఎక్కడ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసావో ఆ పాత్ ఉంటుంది కదా,
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
ఆ పాత్ తెచ్చి ఇక్కడ కాపీ చేయి.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
చేసి ఓకే కొట్టాలి, అంతే.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే అమ్మా. ఎనీ అదర్ డౌట్స్?
Ma'am,
చెప్పమ్మా హరికళ్యాణ్.
ma'am, can you please share that this syllabus copy for the class?
There is no detailed syllabus copy, ma. Orally we got the information, that's it. If I get, I'll forward to you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in this like coding lab, please tell up in one class about coding collections, ma'am. Collections topic.
Collections topic in Python?
No, in Java also it will be there, no, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, we'll see, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Nalini, are you there? Roll number 34. Okay, ma, if you don't have any doubts means I'll end the session.